Hello viewers, Saipedia, first step to success. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe our channel to support our videos. This video deals with tenets of feminism. Today we are going to discuss 4 tenets of feminism: liberal feminism, radical feminism, socialist feminism, and cyber feminism. Let me go through liberal feminism. Liberal feminism is a particular approach to achieving women's equality that emphasizes the power of an individual person to alert discriminatory practices against women. Liberal feminism is a strand of feminism that focuses on the freedom of women. They want a society where women are free to make their own choices, whatever they might be. Liberal feminists are more concerned with a public sphere, equal access to education, equal pay, ending job, sex segregation, better working conditions. However, sometimes they do have to go into the private sphere as decisions affect the public sphere. Where liberal feminism look at issues in the private sphere, it tends to be in terms of equality. How does that private life embed and enhance public equality? Thus, liberal feminists also tend to support marriage as an equal partnership and more male involvement in childcare. Liberal feminism fights for complete gender equality through social, political, and legal means. Liberal feminists believe the following: equal rights should not be abridged because of sex. Law should uphold equal rights and equal opportunities for women in all areas, including schools and workplaces. Positive rights such as the right of education, health care, and affordable childcare are also necessary for equal opportunity and should be crafted with the woman's situation in mind. Moderate reforms will secure the liberation of women. The structure of the state, the economy, and the family do not need to be fundamentally changed. Second one, radical feminism. Radical feminism is a philosophy emphasizing the patriarchal roots of inequality between men and women, or more specifically, the social domination of women by men. Radical feminists believes that patriarchy and every system in place right now oppress women. They believe that many systems such as the political system were created by men and so will have patriarchal characteristics. Radical feminism wants a complete reordering of society in which male supremacy is eliminated. Radical feminists are against gender roles. They believe that gender roles are a key way that men retain their supremacy in this society. Radical feminism opposes existing political and social organization in general because it is inherently tied to patriarchy. Thus, radical feminists tend to be skeptical of political action within the current system and instead tend to focus on cultural changes that undermines patriarchy and associated hierarchical structures. Radical feminists aim to dismantle the entire system of patriarchy rather than making adjustments to the existing system through legal and social efforts. Third title, socialist feminism. The phrase socialist feminism was increasingly used during the 1970s to describe the mixed theoretical and practical approach to achieving women's equality. Socialist feminist theory analyze the connection between the oppression of women and other oppressions in society, such as racism and economic injustice. Socialist feminists wanted to integrate the recognition of sex discrimination within their work to achieve justice and equality for women, for working class, for the poor and all humanity. Unequal standing in the workplace and domestic sphere holds women down. The patriarchal system devalues women and the work they do. Most socialist feminists would endorse the following claims. Socialist feminists agree with Marxist feminism, claims that liberal feminism does not appreciate the depth of the oppression of women and basically only address the situation of women of the upper and the upper middle classes. Socialist feminists do not think that the oppression of women is based solely on the economic system, and they suggested that patriarchy and capitalism are combined into one system. Socialist feminists emphasize the economic, social and cultural importance of women as people who give birth, socialize children, care for the sick and provide the emotional labor that creates the realm of the home as a retreat for men from the realities of the workplace and the public arena. Socialist feminists emphasize that within the workplace, women face challenges of job marketing segregation, low wages for the same work and sexual harassments. Last one, cyberfeminism. The term was coined simultaneously by the British cultural theorist Sadie Plant and the Australian art collective VNS Matrix in 1991. During the heady upwelling of cyberculture, that crucial moment in which the connective technology of the internet was moving into the public sphere, cyberfeminist believes in the internet as a tool of feminist liberation. Cyberfeminists have their eye on technology and power. This movement promoted the need for women to interact through the World Wide Web to achieve gender equality in the access and production of web-based content. However, cyberfeminism also embraced the broader context of women-oriented technology, including the biomedical realm and its implication for the modification of the traditional conception of a woman's body and identity. Sadie Plant, Donna J. Haraway and Virginia Barrett are some of the major contributors to the development of cyberfeminist thoughts. Thank you.